I mean, you're doing it right. You're exhausted. So I got stuff to return to you. I'll get it back at break. You got the grades in your progress report yesterday, so you have the numbers of what you got. I'll get the hard copies back to you here. Like I said, at break, you make sure everything's copacetic. If I err in your favor, don't tell me. If I err against your favor, tell me and I'll fix it, obviously. Looking forward, just the one quiz due this week in case you wanted to do one for this week. You'll also have the Facebook quiz you'll turn in today, most likely. So that's a quiz that counts against your 10. And I've got another in-class quiz we'll either get to today or we'll get to on Thursday, which will also count against your 10. So if you don't get the quiz in, if you didn't get the quiz in for today, it's definitely not a problem. If you look at the progress reports, you'll notice there's a lot of grayed out quizzes right now. And I keep adding, not just to them, but also adding more in. You're going to have tons of them coming down the plane. So don't worry about missing a quiz. If you miss a quiz one week, you can easily make them up in other weeks. Some of you are close to being done already halfway through. Like you have like 2 and 3 quizzes left to do, and there's 5 weeks left in class, so you've got plenty of time to probably make up the ones you need to make in class and call it good. But there's always more than you need available. So you don't feel the need you have to get one posted website quiz done every single week, because you don't. You just have to average one a week, right? That's the whole statistic answer. To average one quiz a week by the end. So I mean, you're ahead of the curve, which is fantastic. That means you can slide a little bit in the back half. I like having more quizzes than you need up for a couple reasons. One is that it's more practice for you guys. You're understand the concepts better. You probably noticed, maybe it annoyed you, that I tend to have, I'll have 4 quizzes on a topic, and I'll spread them over the course of 3 weeks. I do that intentionally. That comes from my old Catholic school upbringing. Rest in peace, Sister Grace. They just hammered us with ideas for months. And those ideas, I could still close my eyes and see Sister Grace and her yardstick and do a long division. And I think a lot of that is just because we did it for like months on end, although I won't make you guys do things for months on end. I do think there's something to that kind of continual exposure, much like scratching a wound keeps it bleeding. Ugh, terrible analogy, sorry, but true. Don't let it scab. We fight the statistical scab in this class. So, Kelly, you had a question, I thought.
You did mention, I thought, that we were going to also work on this in class.
We are!
Okay.
The Facebook quiz, yes! I said, take it home, get as much done as you can, and we'll go through it together. Yes, okay. So that's why I said, if anybody turned the Facebook quiz in, if you want to come grab it, we're going to go over it together. It was intended to be an in-class quiz. We ran out of class on Thursday. Well, not really. We had plenty of class. We ran out of class time on Thursday. We ran out of class time. So I want to make sure we got through that quiz. And that quiz is really kind of a synopsis of a lot of ideas in one place. So yes, we are definitely going to do it together first. And I got the data into my own TI, so we can analyze that together as well. Actually, slap that up here real quick. And 105, we can get rid of that. And zoom in. So if you have your Facebook quiz, go ahead and crack that out. Let's make sure everybody's